welcome to my channel. I'm gonna try to make mofongo Spanish plantain smash and flavor โอเคพี่น้องทุกคนเฮาสิมาเฮ็ดอาหารสเปนิชกล้วยขั้นบ้านเฮาก็เป็นกล้วยกล้วยน้ำเนาะกล้วยน้ำถ้าเฮาทอดได้มันกรอบดีมาเฮ็ดอาหารสเปนิชมาทุกคนมาเริ่มต้นกันเลยอันนี้เป็นสีเขียวเด้อกล้วยนี่นะปอกบ่ได้ให้เบิ่งก่อนอื่นเบิดพุดคโนออยล์เนาะ just canola oil guys I used one time already but still good so I'm gonna go ahead use it again I'm gonna mofongo try to make mofongo Spanish Spanish plantain food I love but I never know how to make until I watching somebody video and put the oil in the pot now mofongo I may say the right or wrong okay forgive me alright cause first time I'm gonna make let's try together cause I have like 6-7 plantain so I don't want to lose it so just get start make something so we can eat good food and the oil canola oil okay let the oil get hot then I will show you how to start it มาเริ่มต้นกันเลยพี่น้องให้น้ำมันหอดก่อนเด้อ okay let's get started just 7 minutes of each side that's what I'm watching another day she said 7 minutes of each side so let's go 7 minutes of each side start 309 okay just get finished all of this so maybe 317 of each side but I have oil over this one should be one time 7 minutes or 10 minutes in my opinions because the oil is cover up of plantain right here the oil is cover up so this should go 317 so we done right just cook together 317 okay so about 2 more to cook okay everyone after 4 minutes so I'm gonna go ahead turn over because this is 7 minutes the oil is cover up so be 7 minutes the oil not cover up so be 7 minutes of each side I mean 14 minutes total but this is oil cover up and okay I'm just go ahead stir fry like this how about that you know what I mean it's too much to turn alright another 4 minutes make it easy because the oil is covered so only 7 minutes total 7 or 8 minutes that's it in my opinion this is where I cook rice but I look at her the way she cook she says 7 minutes of each side but she got oil only halfway I got oil cover up so it should be covered up alright okay everyone 7 minutes already I'm gonna go ahead try to take it off take it out should be fine right should be cooking right here should be cooked crispy now look like cooking to me okay take off the oil alright okay everyone sit in here let the oil drain out and okay one last one I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up Okay, another 7 minutes. Okay, that's the last one. That look delicious. Golden yellow. Look crunchy. So here another one. This is the last one. Alright, let's let it get cooked 5 more minutes. Okay everyone, it's just about to be done. Take it out of here. Last one. Okay everyone, this is the last one. Alright, put in here, then you can make mofongo later. Oh พี่น้องเอ้ยอาหารแบบใหม่เด้ออาหารสเปนิชโอเคเอามาทอดแล้วก็มาตำแล้วก็ใส่เกลือใส่แป้งนัวใส่พริกใส่กระเทียมแล้วก็ลองมึงเด้อปกติเฮ็ดลองมึงโอเคเอาให้มันเย็นก่อนโอเค Okay everyone, my painting already done cooking, and look at this. I have the big one. I saw the original people like Mexico, whatever they do, they got so small. It's not enough to do it. I got the big one right here. Okay, then I got garlic. Okay, let's put garlic. I love garlic. See, I put 2 garlic in here. Okay, I love garlic. So let's go smash this one. 2 garlics. Smash this one. Okay, everyone, I smashed the garlics already. Good. This is I make my own way taste. Okay, it's not gonna be like original people they do it, but I watching with their videos, so I see how they do it. But I'm gonna make my own taste. I just put this one in. About that's enough for. Okay, that's it right there. Just to smash it down. Believe it or not, it smells so delicious, guys. It smells so delicious. It smells so good. Okay, let's smash this one down. This is gonna be vegetarian, guys. Okay, no meat. And I have olive oil. I bought that today. Olive oil, extra virgin. I'm gonna put in here a little bit. No wonder it's so dry because I didn't put the olive oil a little bit in here. Just the way they do, a little bit. Okay, that's it. And then let's make a smash. That's why it's so dry. So funny. This is the first time I make. Everyone, forgive me. And I put olive oil in here already, so I'm gonna go ahead put Sisousauce or Sisousauce. Alright, everyone, I'm gonna put Sisousauce. I make this sauce a little bit. I like spicy. See how the taste. Make my own. Okay, a little bit first, and then try to mix. I put this as pink sea sauce. Alright, let's go. Smells very good though. Put the chicken broth in here a little bit. The chicken broth taste, and dripping around olive oil a little bit more. Okay, that's it. Okay. See that? Let me taste. Tastes good. I am vegetarian, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the cilantro, parsley, and spring onion. Put in here. I am eat vegetarian. Oh, it smells delicious, guys. Okay, look. It looks delicious now. This one I put in the bowl. In the bowl, everyone. So it's my own taste. This first time I make. Wow, unbelievable. One. So I'm done right here. Let's try to put in here. Put in the. Oh yes. See how they come out, right? Oh yes. Oh yes, looking good. Oh yes. There you go. My own taste for mofongo. Made by Sisousauce, made by Crazy Rich Cooking. It tastes good. If I don't do exactly the way they do, but it tastes good, okay? Alright everyone, so just go eat it. And thank you for everyone for watching. If we do it right or wrong, just let me know, okay? Because this is what I do in my own taste. My sauce, the garlic, and olive oil, and my own taste. And you can eat. You eat with meat, but I don't want no meat. I want to eat like this. Thank everyone for watching. See you later. Bye bye now.